Here we have for sale our 2023 on a 23 plate Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is a 280 model, which means it's got a 2.8 tonne gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2 litre Eco Blue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 130 PS, which is roughly 130 brake horsepower. This is the L1 short wheelbase limited, what did start its life as a panel van, finished in the fantastic grey matter. It's got the 6-speed manual gearbox, and what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll talk you through all of the signature styling package that is on this vehicle, and also the fantastic interior conversion that has been carried out as well. We'll go through the service history, have a really close look at the condition, seeing as this vehicle is available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see of course that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirrors, bits of trim like this around the vehicle, which, as I say, in this case is grey matter, one of the best selling colours in the Ford Transit Custom, even to this current day on the new model. At the back here then, we can see on this particular year of Transit Custom the smart rear view mirror, which you can see here, which is a parallel to the floor camera out the back, which replaces what would be your rear view mirror, and I'll show you how that works a little bit later on in the video. But on this particular year, that was standard for a Transit Custom Limited. On the new shape, that's about £1,000 or £1,200 plus VAT optional extra. So really nice that that is included in this spec on this year. You can also see a nice set of some extra security locks on this van. So you've got locks of vans deadlock here on the rear door. At the bottom then you can see you've got parking sensors nicely integrated into the rear bumper as well. That comes as standard on the Limited. But in terms of condition here, you can see already fantastic condition. Our guys have done a brilliant job of fully detailing the vehicle, as they do every single one that passes through here, and this one is of course no exception. At the top then we've got the nice rear spoiler which is added there. A couple of tiny little marks like this one just there, which of course as we go around I will point out anything that I can see. The smallest little mark here on the rear door handle, but only very, very small. If there's anything like that I will gladly point it out to you as we go around. If we open up the rear doors then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So you can open these doors right out to their full 180 degree position like so, and in the back here then we can see the brilliant conversion that has been carried out. So to start with, full carpet lining, including a full carpet head lining with the 6 LED spotlights there. You've got the black Altro non-slip flooring, but then crucially you've got the 3 individual Tourneo rear seats. So these are out of a Ford Custom Tourneo. These ones are actually out of the new shape model, which have actually got a bit more functionality than the ones that came out of this shape. So I'll show you how those work as we get round to the side loading door. But crucially, 3 individual seats, so each of these seats can be operated and, spoiler alert, they can be removed individually. The center seat as well, you can also see, has got a couple of cup holders in the backrest. You can fold that center one down and it gives your 2 outer passengers then a couple of cup holders to work with there as well. But fantastic conversion in the back, as you can see, full rear door coverage as well on the rear doors, and you've still got a brilliant size usable load space in the back of you, even while carrying 6 people inside the van. If we shut the rear doors then we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So looking here down the driver's side of the vehicle, you can just see how clean and straight this is down the side here. All this looks to be totally original, very smart indeed. Now, as part of the signature styling package, not only do you get the rear spoiler on the back, we also get the 18-inch caliber T-Sport alloy wheels, so gloss black alloy wheels, fully load rated of course with the load rated tyres. You also get sidebars. You get a nice set of roof bars as well. Part of the rear seat conversion, it does come with the side opening windows. The locks of vans extra security lock here on the driver's door. That's another upgrade there from the previous owner. And then let's open up the driver's door and have a look inside here. So starting off with the step, the floor, lovely condition there, no issues at all. Having a look at the driver's seat and all the other seats for that matter, we've got full leather upholstery in here. This is all brand new. As soon as you open the door, you get that lovely smell of the leather inside here as well. Absolutely fantastic, which is really, really nice. You can see it is this very smart hex design here in the center, perforated leather in the center as well, which actually provides a nice cushion here. So these seats will actually be a little bit more comfortable to sit on. But yeah, really nicely finished. It's got this lighter grey contrasting stitch just there. And then also we have got, on this van, has got a really nice molded leather steering wheel upgrade as well, again with the contrasting grey stitch, which nicely matches that on the seats. And then you've got the grey 12 o'clock stripe there in the centre as well. But as I say, this is a thicker molded steering wheel, so it just feels that much nicer in the hands. Inside here then, really impressive spec on a limited, of course. You've got cruise control on the left hand side, onboard computer controls on the right hand side, auto light, auto wipers. Of course, this is comes with 2 full flip remote keys, and you also got the spare keys there for the extra security locks. You've got electric windows, electric folding mirrors. Up on top of the dashboard then, you've got a USB and a 12-volt socket there. Into the centre then, you can see the vehicle is idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. 42,507 miles. Into the centre then, you've got the Sync 3 screen, which comes on a limited of this age, which gives you DAB radio, but crucially it gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on here as well. So all you've got to do is plug your smartphone into one of the USBs, either this one here or the one up on top of the dashboard, and then you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto directly onto this screen. Down below then, air conditioning, heated door mirrors, heated seats and heated windscreen. All of that comes as standard on the Limited. 6-speed manual gearbox on this particular van, and the nice little hidden cup holder just there as well. Up the top then, you've got the smart rear view mirror, which I mentioned a little bit earlier on. So you've got a couple of adjustments here. If you go into the menu, you can change the brightness up or down, and if you go into the other one, you can actually adjust the angle a little bit as well. But this is a constant feed out to the back of the van. So as I say, because you've lost, you haven't got rear windows in the back of the van, this replaces that visibility. And in fact, you've actually got a much better visibility from this than you would if you did have rear windows, and you'd be surprised you get used to this and how much you end up actually relying on it as well when you're driving around day to day. It's a really, really nice system to have. You can actually turn it off as well, just by using what would be the little anti-glare toggle underneath. So you can just turn that off if you want to under there, which is really, really smart. But yeah, lovely spec to have inside. But yeah, looking back at this leather, it just looks so good inside here with this lovely detailing in the centre. Of course, you've got the work tray there in the middle as well, with again a couple of cup holders. You've got the driver's armrest as well, so you can set that to your desired height. Couple of little marks to the plastic here just on the edge of the seat, which can happen just from the seat belt and things like that, but again, if I can see it, I will gladly point it out to you. Now, this van is one owner from new, and we do have previous service history with it as well. So it was serviced at around 23,000 miles, and we've got, of course, the full record of that. But crucially, of course, this van has been right through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care, also located on the industrial estate here with us, and they have been right through this vehicle. So they have given it a full service. They have actually changed the wet belt on this particular vehicle as well. So major job on this van that you're not going to have to worry about for a long time to come. So it's had a full wet belt replacement, and when we do it properly with, of course, a new timing cover, but also we've changed the sump as well. So that is a really thorough job that has been done. That's a full service, which is all the filters. It's actually had new rear discs and pads as well. Into the front here then, bonnet, a couple of stone chips here, of course, as you would expect with 40,000 miles to the bonnet. So you can see there are a few there which have just been neatly touched in, but some more major upgrades here at the front. So you've got the Ford Trail front grille. That's a genuine Ford product, so really high quality, transforms the front end of the van. But what also transforms the front end is the front splitter as well, which has been added there as well, which again is all part of our signature styling package. Front parking sensors, front fog lights, and of course on the headlights there you've got that lovely LED daytime running light around the outside there as well. But what a stunning looking van. A couple of little blemishes I've noticed just in the paintwork down here in this little section there, and down here as well. Again, few stone chips, few little blemishes just in this sort of area here as well. So I wouldn't be at all surprised if this might have had a blowing at some point in time, but I'm being picky. It looks absolutely stunning, the van, with the body styling and, I say, that leather interior, and also, of course, the steering wheel upgrade there. But let's open up the side loading door and have a better look at these seats. So 3 individual seats. Crucially as well, these seats slide backwards and forwards individually, so you can really control the leg space, but also the space in the back as well. And each of those seats does that individually, as literally as simply as that. You can do it with one finger. The center seat as well actually has a little extra tray there as well for a little cubby hole. Isofix compatibility on the two outer seats. As I mentioned, you can actually recline these seats. So a little handle on the side, which is this little handle here. That's how you control them going backwards and forwards. And you can see there, you can recline the seat. If you pull that up, that is how you fold the seats down individually. It is, again, as simple as that. From here, you can remove these seats individually. So just pull on this little tab here, and that just removes the seat completely from the floor. So if you want to, you can literally go from any setup, from a 3, 4, 5 or 6 seat setup in a matter of minutes. So you could take all of those seats out, and then you've got the full space in there that you would in a short wheelbase Transit Custom van. You could just take one seat out if you wanted to and just load something longer down one side. There really is endless possibilities here in the back. But yeah, fantastic quality here of the leather interior. So you get that fantastic leather smell in here as well. Feels very, very premium indeed. So just to summarize then, one owner from new, 2023 on a 23 plate grey matter Ford Transit Custom with our full signature styling package on it. The 280 130 6-speed manual model, short wheelbase with the 6-seat Tourneo conversion. So it's got the new shape Tourneo seats in the back there. So sliding, folding, reclining, removable seats, full leather interior on, of course, all of the seats, including, of course, the front and the rear, with this fantastic hex design and beautiful quality. Steering wheel upgrade as well on this one. Previous service history, which was a service of 23,000 miles, and crucially has just been right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, and they've conducted a further full service, and as I say, the all-important wet belt replacement has been done on this particular van, so you're not going to have to worry about that for a long time to come. There is a lot to like on this van indeed, and lovely condition as we've pointed out going around it. You can just see how, as I say, clean and straight it is. Very, very smart indeed. The vehicle will be supplied with 12 months warranty as standard, so you get 12 months AA warranty through ourselves on this van. And of course, you can upgrade that as well. So if you wanted a longer warranty, if you wanted to go to 2 years, that's 399 plus VAT. If you wanted to go to 3 years, it's 599 plus VAT, which can, 599 plus VAT can sound a lot, but for 3 years of cover, it doesn't take much on a vehicle these days to rack up a £600 plus VAT bill. So I think as a 3 years of cover, I actually think that sounds very reasonable to me indeed. We can, of course, deliver our vehicles nationwide. So if you're not local to us, we can deliver this van directly to your door. We can also arrange funding at very competitive rates, whether that be for a private individual or for a limited company. Again, this is a VAT qualifying vehicle. On the logbook, it is a 3-seater panel van. Of course, you're more than welcome to change it to a 6-seater. We deliberately don't change it to a 6-seater because, as I say, if you are looking to run this through your business, there could be some tax advantages there. Of course, speak to your accountant about that. But as I say, if you're looking to run this through a business, this could be a very, very tax efficient way of running a 6-seater van with all the styling through your business. And we can, of course, take cars or vans in part exchange as well. If you'd like to see the full advert, head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we have currently got advertised. Thank you for watching.